Hello and welcome to class. Now previously we solved this and we found the solution to the students. I want you to go back to the previous video and see how we solved this. Now we're on revision of questions on indices and also exponential equations. So this was revised questions on indices. Now applying the various laws of indices. Now we'll be going into revision of exponential equations, which also make use of the laws of indices. So we're going to take them one by one again. I advise that you go back to the previous videos and watch this and see how we dealt with this. So without much ado, we'll go into this. Now, just in case we are not able to finish up on this, we'll move to the next videos. Now, the goal is this, to make these videos as short as possible so that people would want to, these days people want to watch videos that are not too lengthy. So that's the whole essence of it. Now let's get started without much ado. Now the first question we'll be having today is 2 raised to the power of x equals to 0.125. Now the first thing is, when you have something like this, like what we said previously, what you do is that you try to make this look like this. Try to make this look like this. So this is giving you a hint as to what to do to this place. First of all, you ask yourself, what's the presentation of this place? This is presented as a decimal fraction. So you make it a decimal, you make it a fraction, a proper fraction in essence. So what we'll do is this. In taking it back, you know what we said, 0.125, what we'll do is, with the decimal point is going to be 1 to 5, which are the main figures. 1 is going to be 1, 0. Move the decimal point here, becomes another 0. Move the decimal point here, becomes another 0. So in essence, it was actually 125 divided by 1000 that gave us this number. So if you divide this number by this, you will get this. So we're actually going back to where it came from. So that means we have 2. I beg your pardon on this. Let's go to this. So we have 2 raised to the power of x is equal to, now using this, 125 raised to the power divided by 1000. Now the best thing, don't forget, our target is to make this place look like this. So what do? This is 125. We reduce it to lowest term. Now we come here, 125 all over 1000. When I was in primary school, when I see a number ending with 5, another ending with 0, I know 5 can divide them. So 5 can go here. 5 here is 2, remember 2, put it here. Into 25 is going to be 5. Now 5 into 10 is what? 2. Bring down your 0, so that's 200. So we have 25 over 200 remaining. So we can still divide by 5. 5 can still go. 5 in 25 is 5. 5 in 200, 5 in 20 is 4. Bring down your 0. So what we have left now is 5 all over 40. Can something still go? Absolutely. Because this is 5 and this is 0, 5 can still go. So 5 here, 1, 5 here, 8. So you now see that this is essentially 1 by 8. So let's go to this place. So what we have is 2 raised to the power of x over 1 by 8. Now, do you now see something? This is beginning to look like this. Why? Because what is 8? 8 is 4 times 2. And what is 4? 4 is 2 times 2. Or 2 times 2 is what? 4. So that means this is 2. How many 2's are here? 3. So that means 2 raised to the power of 3 is actually equal to 8. So wherever we see 8, we'll put 2 raised to the power of 3. So that's going to be 2x is equal to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, you now see that this place now looks like this somehow. Now remember the law of indices, the law of reciprocal power. Now what that says is that if you have a raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as saying a raised to the power of a minus 1. So if I also have a raised to the power of n, it means a raised to the power of what? Minus n, because it's like 1n, which is the same thing as n. 1n is the same as n. So bringing it here is, we'll bring it to the law. It is 2x is equals to what? 2 raised to the power of what? Minus 3. So what do we do from here? The two bases are the same. So what do we do? This will slash this. It cancels out. What remains? X is equals to minus 3. In other words, when the value of x is equals to minus 3, this is 2. This is correct. Thank you. Now we're going to pick the next one, the next question without much ado. So, sorry. Let's go. The next question. The next question here. The next question. The next is 3 raised to the power of minus x is equals to 243. Now, remember the goal. The goal is this place must look like this place. They must look alike. So how do we do? How do we get this number? Since here must look like here, that means there's something about this thing that is here. So how do we go about it? It's going to be 3 times 3. 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. It is not the same. So let's put times 3. So 9 times 3 is what? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So this one, this 3 gives us 27. It's not yet the same. Now let's put times 3 again. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. It's not yet the same. So let me see if I try another 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Then 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. 81 times 3. You guess it right. 243. 243. So what does that mean? It means that 243 is actually 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now what is this? 3 raised to the power of 5. That's just it. Now what I want you to do is try and finish it up by yourself and see what you get from here. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you so much.